Hi dear students, good morning. How are you? Are you fine? I hope all are going well. Students, what are things we studied in last class? Addition without carryover. Welcome students to our maths class. Today we are going to learn about new topic, addition with carryover. Addition with carryover. Are you ready for class? Okay. All of you take your text. Page number 91. Page number 91. Our topic is addition with carryover. One example for you. Example 1. Example 1. Add 72,126 and 29,795. 795. How to solve the problem? Okay, all of you listen here. Solution. Okay. 72,126 plus 29,795. Okay. All of you listen here. Okay. Put place values. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. Okay. Okay. Firstly, add the ones column, then tens column, then hundreds, then thousands, then 10,000 and lakh. Okay. Firstly, add the ones column. 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5, answer is 11. Answer is 11. Write 1 in the ones place. Write 1 in the ones place and this one. 1 is carried to the tens place. This one is carried to the tens place. Okay. Here 1. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. 3. Then 3 plus 9. 12. 3 plus 9. 12. 2. Okay. Write 2 is here. Then 1 is carried to the hundreds place. 1 is carried to the hundreds place. Then 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7, 9. Okay. 2 plus 7, 9. Then add thousands column. 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9 is answer is 11. 1 is here. Then 1 is carried to the 10,000 place. 10,000 place. Okay. Then add 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7. 8. Then 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2. 10. Okay. 0 is here. 0. Then 1 is carried to the lakh place. 1 is carried to the lakh place. Okay. Answer is 1,01,921 is the answer. 1,01,921 is the answer. Okay. I will explain one more time. Firstly, add ones column. 6 plus 5, 11. Right, 1 is here, then 1 is carried to the tens place. Then 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 9, 12. Right, 2 is here, then balance is 1. 1 is carried to the hundreds place. 1 is carried to the hundreds place. Then 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 7, 9. Right, 9 is here. Then add the thousands column. 2 plus 9, 2 plus 9, 11. 1 is right here. Then other one is balance 1 is carried to the 10,000s place. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 9, sorry, 8 plus 2, 10. 8 plus 2, 10. Then right, 0 is here. Balance is 1. Carried to the lakh place. Okay, 1. Okay, answer is 1,01,921 is the answer. Did you follow me? Okay. Next one. Next one is example 2. Example 2. Example 2. Find the number which is 7,961 more than 5,32,165. Okay. Example 2. 5,32,165 plus 7,967. 7,967. Okay. Firstly add the ones column, then tens column, then hundreds column, then thousands column. Okay. Then 10,000, then lakh. Put the place values ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Okay. Listen here. 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7. 12. 12 is the answer. Right, 2 is here. 1 is carried to the 1 is carried to the tens place. 1 is carried to the tens place. Okay, 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 6, 7 plus 6, 13. 13. 3 is right here. Then balance is 1. Carry to the hundreds column. Okay. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. 2. 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9. 11. Okay. 1 is right here. Balance 1 is carried to the thousands column. Okay. Right. 1 is here. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. 3. 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7. 10. Okay. 10. Okay. 0 is here. 1 is carried to the in which place? 10,000 place. Then add these two numbers. 4, then 5. We get the answer. 5 lakh 40,000. 5 lakh 40,132. 5 lakh 40,132. Okay. Next one, exercise 3.2. Did you understand this? Okay. In exercise 3.2, there are some questions. I will explain. 1 or 2 questions remains your homework. And first one, listen here. Take your page number 92. Okay. First one. On. First one A. 934 and 224. 24. Okay, next one is exercise 3.2. In exercise 3.2, some questions are there. I will explain some questions. Remains are your homework. Okay, first one at A, 78,934 plus 73,224. Okay. Okay, listen here. Put the place values: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Okay, listen here. 4 plus at the ones first, ones column. 4 plus 4, answer is 8. 3 plus 2, answer is 5. Then 9 plus 2, 9 plus 2, answer is 11. Right, one is here. One is carried to the thousands place. 1 is carried to the thousands place. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 9 plus 3, 12. Right, 2 is here. Then 1 is carried to the 10,000s place. 1 is carried to the 10,000s place. Then again 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. 15. 5. 15. Right, 5 is here. Balance is 1. 1 is carried to the lakh place. Answer is 1,52,158. 1,52,158 is the answer. Okay. Write it. Write it. Did you finish? Okay. Second question is second one B. Okay. 456 plus 975. Okay. Okay. Listen here. At the ones column. 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5, 11. One is here. One is carried to the tens place. 1 is carried to the tens place. 1 plus 6. 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5, 6. Then 6 plus 7, 13. 6 plus 7, 13. 13. Then 3 is here. 1 is carried to the hundreds place. 1 is carried to the hundreds place. Okay, then add the hundreds column. 1 plus 4, 5. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9. 14. 14. Right, 4 is here. 1 is carried to the thousands column. 1 is carried to the thousands column. Then 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. 4. 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6. 10. Then write 0 is here. 1 is carried to the 10,000s place. 1 is carried to the 10,000s place. Then 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7. 8. 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8. 16. Okay, correct. 8 plus 8. 16. 16. Right, 6 is here. 1 is carried to the lakh place. Our answer is 1 lakh, 60,000, 1 lakh 60,431 is the answer. Write in your textbook. 1 lakh 60,431. Okay. Did you finish? Okay. Next one. Third one. See. 1,000. 10,000. Lakh. Okay, listen here. Third 34,000, 34,000, 596, 596, 68,000, 68,000, 483, 483. Okay. All of you listen here. Firstly add the ones column, then tens, then 100, then 1000, then 10,000, then lakh. Okay. Firstly add the ones column. 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3. Answer is 9. Then 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8. 17. 17. Right. 7 is here. Then 1 is carried to the hundreds place. Okay. 1 is carried to the hundreds place. Then 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5. 6. 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4. 10. Right. 0 is here. Then 1 is carried to the thousands place. 1 is carried to the thousands place. Okay. Then 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4. 5. 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8. 13. 5 plus 8. 13. Okay. 13. Right. 3 is here. 1 is carried to the 10,000 place. 1 is carried to the 10,000 place. Okay. Then 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. 4. 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6. Again 10 is the answer. Right. 0 is here. Then 1 is carried to the lakh place. 1 is carried to the lakh place. Okay. Answer is 1,03,079. 1,03,079 is the answer. Okay. Write it. Did you finished? Okay. Next one. Then D, E and F is the homework. Next one. Arrange in columns and add. Arrange in columns and add. I will explain one question. Remains your homework. Second one. Arrange in columns and add. All of you take your rough note. Okay. A. 34,572. 73,426. Okay. Listen here. Firstly put the place values. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Okay. Add the ones first. 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6. 8 is the answer. Then 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2. Okay, 9. Then 5 plus 4. Again 9. Then 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. 7. 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3. Answer is 10. Right, 0 is here. Then 1 is carried to the lakh place. Okay. Answer is 1 lakh 7,998. 1 lakh 7,998. Okay. Write it. Write in your textbook. Okay. Did you finished? Okay. Then students, remains are your homework. Today's topic is over. If you have any doubt in this topic, please ask me. Okay, thank you.